Ancient, that's how you say her name. Right here. Ancient mama. I'm telling you, that's how you say. Ancient mama.
What?
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, today is a different video. As you can see, I am in the kitchen. But today we are not cooking hair products. We are cooking fried Oreos. Yes. So if you have a sweet tooth, stick around because you are about to learn how to make the best, and I mean the best, fried Oreos that you ever had in your life. Okay, so today my special guest is gonna be my hubby. What it do? Okay, so we are going to teach Mr. Davis how to make fried Oreos. Why? Because every time I'm in the bed and I want some fried Oreos, he always say, so he's gonna learn how to make them so he can make them for me. Yeah, don't pay attention to my daughter. But yeah, he's gonna learn how to make fried Oreos for me. So the one thing that you want to grab, you grab your, I don't know why he like mint Oreos.
Mint what?
Mint, no. Red velvet, I was gonna say velvet.
She can't talk, y'all.
Red velvet, and I can talk a little bit. Red velvet. No, red velvet. So we are gonna take whatever favorite Oreo, original, birthday cake. I should grab birthday cake. Any type of Oreo that you like, grab that Oreo and we're gonna show you how to make fried Oreos. So you of course gonna need your Oreos. Then other people use milk, but I like to use my French vanilla coffee creamer. And it's so good. You're also gonna need, you ain't in order, bro. You gotta get the pancake mix first.
Oh, you cooking a certain way?
Yeah, you don't put the powdered sugar on it, that's last.
Oh yeah, that's right,
man. And
some pancake mix.
Ain't your mama. Pancake. It is ain't your mama.
It doesn't matter, just pancake mix.
Pancake mix. Make sure you get pancake mix. So pancake mix, creamer, and then what he tried to show y'all, the powdered sugar. You put this on last, but you will see all that in the video. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. Oh, and don't forget that you're gonna also need some oil. We already kind of poured the oil in there, so yeah. You'll need some oil, some cooking oil, and now I'm gonna bring you guys closer so you can see how we mix it up and, you know, start to whip this thing. Whip this thing. Come a little bit closer. Okay, so you're gonna have your oil in the pan, which we already put our oil in the pan. You don't want to cut your oil up too high. Hold the camera. Because you want to get ready to mix. So while that's heating up, we're gonna mix we already poured our pancake mix in the bowl. Now we're gonna, I didn't open this, so I'm trying to be all fancy. I'll open this thing just like this.
No,
right
I know.
Oh, I got time for that. I'm about to break my nail. Okay, so you're gonna open your French vanilla and you're gonna pour that thing. I think I put a lot of mix in here. I don't measure it. And then you're just gonna mix it. And see, as you see again, oh, this stuff smells so good. You smell that French vanilla?
I can't smell it.
You just don't want to say you smell it. It smells good, don't it? Whip that thing. Whip. Okay. So you're gonna mix it up. And then you're gonna, you're gonna get it good and mixed up like this. Oh, so it's just gonna come up here like this. So I got stuff everywhere. Okay, those mint Oreos really smell like mint. Oh my goodness. Okay, so while your oil is hot, you want to make sure your oil is hot, not too hot, but hot. So what we're gonna do is, while that's getting like that, we're gonna dump these. I'm gonna dump all 4 of mine. Kind of, get them covered up, flip them over in them. And you don't want your oil to be extra hot, so don't put it on like, don't burn your kitchen down. But wanna do this like this. So you take the Oreo after you dip it, and you're gonna place it in here to fry. And then while those frying, you want to hurry up. However many you making, you kind of want to already have them ready to just dip. Ooh, babe, like, how you eat these? No, it don't. Smell like you're finna eat some Winter Fresh bubble gum. So then I gotta make sure I know which one is yours. I gotta cut mine, because I am not buying. I like, that would ruin me if I bite into this Oreo.
Oh, you see, it ain't that bad.
Like, I don't see how you eat anything mint.
You don't like mint ice cream?
I like it when I brush my teeth, but not. Like, okay. So, like, pancakes don't take that long to cook. So as you can see, oh snap. Wait a minute.
She good for burning stuff.
I think I did burn them.
Oh man, come on.
No, I didn't.
No, it ain't good. You gotta flip them though.
Okay, and I'm trying to flip them. Flip that thing. Flip that thing. See, y'all nasty Oreos over here. Y'all, they coming out so ugly. But they gonna be good. See, I'm rushing because I'm hungry. Oh, that one came out pretty. And at this point, I cut my grease off because there's no point to. You try yours first. That thing's good. That ain't good.
I think I like Red Velvet better. It's good, but it ain't like that Red Velvet.
You want one of mine?
I want to eat my fajitas first.
So you don't like your mint Oreo?
I'll eat them, but I wouldn't like.
You don't like, okay, but fried Oreos are good. You just won't eat the mint Oreo ones.
Yeah, just a mint. The Red Velvet is the best ones.
I told you that.
Yeah. I'll eat them, but I don't cook them no more.
Yeah. But these are good.
They eat the best. Eat the best.
You just saying that because he gave you one. Red velvet is the best. And do not get the mint ones. But fried Oreos are what's happening. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you want to see us cook anything else, comment below and I'll let Mr. Davis show y'all how to cook. I'll let Mr. Davis show y'all how to cook. So if you want to see more of him on my channel, just like comment below and say what you want to see him cook. And anyway, comment below and we will get that video out for you guys. Thank you for watching and love you guys. See you in the next video. Mwah! Hi. Peace. Peace out.